Okay.
This is after the guns are drawn, after dusk has turned to dawn. This is the calm after the storm. It's a brand new morning.
Who is that?
This is after you beat your chest and you talk how you're the baddest and the best. After we put it out to the test, and we kill the rot and leave the rest. This is after the gloves come off, after the puppets show the bluff. When we
Yes.
check what we are made of, the fabric and the clothes.